Have you ever wished you could see your home's potential remodel and design projects before making any decisions? Now, with HomeZada's Visual Design AI, the power is in your hands. To get started with HomeZada's Visual Design AI, let's connect with an inventory photo in a space in your personal HomeZada account. Select a photo of your kitchen and pick a design theme such as modern farmhouse or whatever else you like. Instantly, you see the results, and it doesn't get any easier than that. A new visual design of your kitchen if you choose to renovate. This solves a big issue for many homeowners who are not able to visualize what their remodel might look like prior to starting. Let's keep this design going. Use the text box to make additional changes. Here, we add a fume hood and change the color of the range. Amazing results in a new image with your edits in mere seconds. And you can keep making more changes to get the design you desire. Share creates a link to send to others for feedback. This is just in case you need opinions from your family or others. A simple page displays your current kitchen and your new visual renovation idea. HomeZada's Visual Design AI also works with decorative projects. Here, we have a living room with a goal of replacing furnishings in a modern yet casual style. In just a few seconds, an AI image shows a completely redesigned living room. And you can create multiple design images, which helps you decide what works for you. HomeZada's Visual Design AI also lets you change a specific item in your space. You may find yourself interested in new paint on your walls. Once again, an AI image is created with the item you want to change. An immediate visualization of your room in a new specific color. Say goodbye to paint swatches and extra cans of paint that did not work, taking up valuable space in your home. HomeZada's Visual Design AI even works on home exteriors. In this case, the prompt is to renovate everything, including the landscaping. Can you believe this? The front of the house completely renovated, including the hardscape and landscaping according to a design theme in seconds. And finally, HomeZada's Visual Design AI also works with your backyard landscaping projects. Wow! The entire backyard is transformed to include a pool, a stone patio, furniture, and even trees and plants. You can see your new project potential in seconds. And best of all, your entire history of AI images is stored in your HomeZada account. HomeZada Visual Design AI is so amazing because you can visually imagine any home improvement or design project for your home. Start using Visual Design AI by signing up today at HomeZada.com.